As manufacturers continue their trend towards using less and less gasoline, engines are becoming smaller and turbocharged to make up for the lack of displacement, as we're seeing with the mighty-mite 2022 Mercedes-AMG CLA45. But turbos suffer a catch-22 of sorts. Want it to work better at lower RPM? You're going to want a smaller turbocharger that can spin up faster, but that sacrifices ultimate power at higher RPM. Or go big with the turbo, make huge power up high, and suffer abysmal low RPM or post-lift-throttle response. Superchargers and an exhaust-based anti-lag systems can deal with these issues, with trade-offs of their own. Mercedes-AMG has chosen door number 3 with its new SL43 Roadster. You see, AMG borrowed electric turbocharging technology from the Petronas F1 car, combining it with a 48-volt mild hybrid electrical system powered by a generator on the accessory drive belt and slapping it onto the 2023 Mercedes-AMG SL's new 4-cylinder SL43 variant. An e-turbo like this one effectively disconnects the turbo's compressor abilities from the speeds of exhaust gases while allowing finer control over the unit's output, such that lag can be reduced at lower speeds without sacrificing big power at higher engine speeds. It's as true of a transfer of Formula One technology to the street as you can get, and in a vehicle that Mercedes pegs as the entry-level model for tech-savvy buyers of the AMG SL family, which at launch here in America will include only the 8-cylinder SL55 and SL63.